Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to Canva and click on Create a Design. This button is typically located at the top of your dashboard and opens up all the design options available to you. It's your starting point for any creative project on the platform. Once the menu appears, you can either search for poster in the search bar or simply click on poster from the design list that pops up. Canva makes it easy to find the right format for your project by categorizing designs by type so you don't have to guess dimensions or start from scratch. Next, you'll see a wide variety of poster templates displayed on your screen. Browse through them and select one that fits the style or theme you're going for. Once you click on a template, it will open directly in the editor, giving you a fully customizable starting point. This saves you a lot of time since the layout, colors, and fonts are already professionally arranged. Now it's time to personalize your poster. Click on any text box in the template and start typing your own title, event details, or call to action. Whether you're promoting an event, announcing a sale, or creating motivational content, this is where you make the poster truly yours. You can adjust the wording to match your message and audience. If you want to change the image or background, simply click on it and select Replace or Background from the options that appear. This allows you to swap out the existing visual with something that better represents your brand or event. You can choose from Canva's massive library of stock photos or upload your own image for a more personalized touch. To add more creative elements, click on Elements, Text, or Uploads in the left sidebar. The Elements tab gives you access to shapes, lines, icons, and illustrations that can enhance your design. The Text tab lets you add extra headings or body text with pre-styled fonts, and Uploads allows you to bring in your own files like logos or custom graphics. Once you've added everything you need, you can fine-tune your design. Select any object on the canvas and use the top toolbar to adjust its color, size, position, or transparency. This level of control ensures every element looks exactly how you want it and fits perfectly within your layout. When you're happy with your poster, click Share or Download at the top right corner of the screen. You can download it as a PNG, PDF, or other formats depending on how you plan to use it. You can also share it directly via email or social media if you prefer. And that's it. You've just created a professional-looking poster in Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.